Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. One of our viewers wrote in asking about hand dominance and what to do if a child has not established a dominant hand. Now, hand dominance is typically established by the age of 7. Some reasons for its non-establishment have to do with strength or early fatigue in a task, which causes the child to continually switch hands so that one gets a break while the other one does the work. So first, what we need to do is figure out which hand is the dominant one. As a rule of thumb, I always tend to gravitate towards the hand that the child eats with. So pay attention to that hand and see if indeed you think it is the dominant hand. Once you figure out which hand is the dominant one, what you want to do is give some good strengthening exercises, playing with clays, maybe a modeling clay, maybe some kind of a therapy type of putty, as well as working with scissors, doing things that really exercise the hand, cutting cardboard, cutting straws, cutting really anything, things that will really just work the muscle so that way the child can gain a little more strength, which hopefully will lead to a lot more comfort. So you want to be strengthening the hand as well as providing visual cues to remind the child to use only their dominant hand and then take a break whenever they feel too fatigued. So visual cues could be a little bracelet, a watch, a ring, a sticker, something on the hand that reminds the child to be using that hand. And then if the child is tired, simply tell them to just take a break and then resume again with the dominant hand. Remember, if you have any more questions, please just write in and I'm happy to address them. Also check out otkidsmass.com, where you can find must-have products that address hand strength development and a variety of other areas. Thank you.